One and all, my name is Suresh. So today we are discussing about the one more topic. The lesson name is the reflection of light. Reflection of light at curved places. Okay now. So today we are discussing about the new topic. The topic name is the prove that angle I is equal to angle R. Prove that angle I is equal to angle R. Here angle I means incident ray. Here I is called for the incident ray. I is called for the incident ray. And R is called for the reflected ray. R is called for the reflected ray. Okay now. So what is the topic name? Prove that angle I is equal to angle R. And other name it is called for the reflection of first law. It is called for the reflection of first law. Reflection of first law. Okay now. So first of all, we have proved that what is the aim? What is the aim? Okay now. So aim, verification of aim. Aim means verification of angle I is equal to angle R. Verification of angle I equal to the angle R. Next, R prove that reflection of first law. Prove that reflection of first law. Reflection of first law. Okay. Next, material required. Required materials. So first of all, we want to material mirror strip. First one, mirror strip. Next, white paper. Next, drawing board. White paper, drawing board. Next, clamps. Next, pins, pencil, scale. Next, pencil and also scale. Pencil, scale and drawing board, white paper. Okay now, these are the material required. So we have proved that experiment. We want to some material. The material means mirror strip, white paper, drawing board, clamps, pins, pencil and scale. Now first of all, do the procedure. First of all, okay now, take the one drawing board. Taking the drawing board. Next, drawing board and take the paper and take the fix the clamps. First point, take the drawing board and fix the clamps with the help of white papers. With the help of white papers. Okay now. Now first of all, I will draw the picture, Amma. So see. First of all, I will draw the one picture. It is the center. Okay now. A and B. Next, it is the another point. It is called for the O. And here only draw the P and Q. And here only point the R and S. Here P means if you choose the Q dash and Q means Q dash. At the same point upper side we will draw the P dash and Q dash. Okay, it is called for the plane mirror. These are the picture. Okay now. So in this picture, first of all, draw the one AB straight line. Second point, draw the AB, one AB straight line. straight line. Okay na, AB straight line. At the center of the point, at the center of the point to O. O means origin. We call for the origin. And AB at the point AB. Next to fix the 2 pins. Next fix the 2 pins. Next point. Fix the 2 pins. These names are P and Q. With the help of point to O. Now draw the straight line. Now drawing the straight line of PQO. Here point 2 points. How many points are there? 2 points. P and Q. These 2 points drawing the straight line. 2 points drawing the straight line. Next, observe the images of 4th point. Observe the images of. Here, how many images are formed? Here, 2 images are formed. The 2 images are called P dash and Q dash. Observe the 2 images. Their names P dash and Q dash. P dash and Q dash. Next, automatically 5th point, drawing the 2 lines, drawing the another 2 points that their names R and S. Now join the 2 points. Now join the 2 points with the help of O and R and S. Okay now so today in this lesson we prove that angle I is equal to angle R. Here angle I means incident ray. Angle R is called for the reflected ray. So it is called for another name, reflection of the first law. Okay now. First aim what? Verification of the angle I is equal to angle R. Next, material required. Mirror strip, white paper, drawing board, clamps, pins, pencil and scale. Now do the procedure one by one. Take your drawing board and fix the clamps and with the help of the white paper. Now second point, draw the one straight line. This name is the AB. Straight line at the center of the point to O. Next, fix the 2 pins. These 2 pins names P and Q. With the help of the O origin, draw one straight line. Okay now. Next, observe the 2 here. Two images are formed. They P dash and Q dash. Next, draw another 2 lines, that is the R and S. These with the help of the origin. Now, so in this lesson, measure the angle between. Now, here only it is called for the angle I and it is called for the angle R. Okay now, measure the angle between the angle between ON and RS. The angle between ON and RS. ON means ON is equal to the angle I. Next to RS is equal to angle R. So in this experiment we will prove that angle I is equal to angle R. These are the experiment names. Okay, these are the experiment names. Prove that angle I is equal to angle R. It is called for the reflection of the first law. Aim what? Verification of the first law. Required material: mirror strip, white paper, drawing board, clamps, pins, pencil, scale. Next procedure: take the drawing board, fix the one clamp with the help of the clamps and with the one A4 sheet paper. Now drawing the one AB straight line at the center of the point to O, or O means here origin. Now join the O and N. It is called for the ON. Next, fix the two pins. Their name is the P and Q with the help of the point. Okay na? Now draw the two images to form. Okay na? These are the experiment. Next, verification of the second law. Verification of the reflection of second law. Next, verification of the next, how do you verify the second law of reflection? Second law of reflection. Okay now. So first of all, we will draw the one picture. It is a plane mirror. It is a plane mirror. First of all, center point to draw the one origin O. Here only coming to the one point to one incident ray. A is coming. Here only reflected and here only going. It is called for the angle I, and it is called for the O, B, and it is called for the N. So it is called for the angle R. Angle I and angle R. Okay now. So how do you prove that? Verify the second law of the reflection. Second law. First of all, what is the definition of second law? Reflection of second law. Reflection of second law. Okay now. The incident ray and reflected ray. The incident ray and reflected ray and normal line, ON, a normal line, and normal line. These three are in the same line. It is called for the reflection of the second law. Okay now, what is the definition of second law? Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal line is in the same line. These are called for the reflection of the second law. Next, first point, showing the picture. First of all, AO here AO figure right ray. The right ray is touching the mirror AO here. So in the picture, a light ray is touches the point O. So here AO is equal to here AO is equal for the incident ray. Okay now, whenever the ray is coming to the touch the point screen, automatically it is bounces and come back to the another side. Third point, when the light is touches the screen and automatically bounces and to come back to the another direction. That is called for the BO. BO is called for the reflected ray. BO is called for the reflected ray. Next, ON, third point, ON is called the plane of the reflection. Okay now incident ray and reflected ray and reflected ray and also normal line and also normal line. These three are in the same line. In the same line. It is called for the reflection of second law. It is called for the reflection. It is called for the reflection of second law. Okay now. So today in this lesson we prove that two verification law. Already first law is verified. Next in this class we verify the second law. Okay now. Reflection of second law. What is the definition of reflection of second law? The incident ray and reflected ray and normal line are in the same line. It is called for the reflection of the second law. Next, showing the picture, the light rays are touches the point screen O, and here will come back to the other direction. Here AO is called for the incident ray. AO is called for the incident ray. Next, BO is called for the BO or OB is called for the reflected ray. Next, ON is called for the normal line. These three are in the same line. It is called for the reflection of the second law. It is called for the reflection of the second law. Understand all numbers? Okay. Thank you.